to my channel. It's your girl Spice Model back again with another video. Today is day 9 of Vlogmas and I'm almost out of hands. Tomorrow's day 10. Christmas is coming, guys, and with that I am going to open an early Christmas gift. So here I have a Christmas gift that I got from Discover Fashion YouTube channel. I guessed the items in the box and I won this gift. I'm gonna link her YouTube to Hira in the description box below. Make sure you guys tune in, check her out. And Saturday coming up, another chance for you guys to win a prize. So let's see what's in the box. So let's see. I don't like to stuff. It's cute. Okay, so we got some lotion right here. Bourbon lotion, ultra sheer body cream from Bath and Body Works. Smells nice. All right, more frilly stuff. And then we have some accessories from Hot Chocolate Boutique. So here we have this necklace and a pair of earrings. Let me just get all the pretty stuff out. So we have this necklace. This is pretty nice, and these earrings. Let's open it up. Let's see. And this is kind of, I can't get straight now, but this is how it is. It's cute. I like it. Thank you, Discover Fashion, for this awesome gift, and I'll definitely be playing again this Saturday. So guys, you know, if you want to win some Christmas gifts, head over to Discover Fashion this Saturday. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. More videos to come tomorrow and for the rest of the week. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when I post another video. And with that being said, bye!